Dr. O'Shaughnessy, thank you so much for joining us.
Hi, thank you, Susan. And of course, good afternoon, everyone. It's certainly a pleasure to be with you today. First, I really do want to thank the Reagan-Udall Foundation for the FDA and all the foundation board members for their continued support in advancing the FDA's mission to protect and promote public health. Of course, our collaboration and partnership with the foundation is critically important to the agency. In my role as acting chief scientist, I serve as a liaison between the agency and the foundation. The foundation's work to advance the mission of FDA to modernize product development, accelerate innovation, and enhance product safety has been most helpful in our ever-present and evolving regulatory science efforts to develop new tools, standards, and approaches to assess the safety, efficacy, quality, and performance of FDA-regulated products. The Office of the Chief Scientist helps to keep the communication channels open, amplify the message, and advance the science of our programs and initiatives, and key FDA priorities, as you just heard from key leadership at the agency. Modernization and innovation are enhanced and strengthened through collaboration with our external partners and stakeholders. And the foundation is a key partnership for supporting interactions and communications across the many and varied FDA stakeholders, with academia, with industry, with consumers, and others. The opportunities we have here are numerous and broad in scope, be it the information gained through facilitating public-private collaborations, such as the IMEDS program, and the nutrition work with our Center for Food Safety and Applied Nutrition, or efforts with our Center for Veterinary Medicine in developing a public-private partnership related to antimicrobial use in food-producing animals, to the convenings with the COVID-19 Evidence Accelerator and substance use disorder work, as well as information gained through patient listening sessions. The one of many ways the medical product centers engage with patients and their advocates, or the resources provided by the Expanded Access Navigator. These efforts and examples illustrate just how the foundation helps the agency advance its mission. As an example that I'm grateful to the foundation for hosting was an engagement on medical countermeasure master files and 2 roundtables on the emergency use, or EUA, processes. As you know, the EUA has been extraordinarily important in responding to the coronavirus pandemic and has enabled the use of vaccines, therapeutics, diagnostics, and more. These convenings brought together a multitude of stakeholders for their expertise, input, and perspectives on another way for us to advance the development of medical countermeasures and strengthen our EUA capabilities to help us continue to advance our pandemic response efforts. I look forward to our continued efforts in partnership with the foundation as it continues to help FDA support and advance the FDA mission to protect and promote public health. Thanks again.
Great, thank you, Jackie. And we're so, as you reflected on those activities, I just thought how, interesting those words and how proud the foundation was to be able to advance the work of the agency with that.